Okay, we are clicking into week 9, and this is your reading overview for the week. We do have a short week this week, so we're getting into Tuesday. And the first thing you need to do is print this Plot Mountain graphic organizer right here. It says the word print right next to it. We will be using that during our live lesson this morning. You will need to attend the live lesson at 9 o'clock. After that, you are going to watch the day 1 vocabulary video and then read for 20 minutes. This is a copy of the text Thunder Cake that we will be going over and discussing during our live lesson this morning. Now going into Wednesday, you are going to attend the live lesson at 9 o'clock. We will be using the text again for the second day, Thunder Cake. The copy of that text is there. You will watch the day 2 vocabulary video and you will read for 20 minutes. Going into Thursday, you will want to print another copy of this Plot Mountain graphic organizer. You will be using that today after the live lesson. So again, you're going to attend the live lesson at 9 o'clock. If for some reason you are not able to attend that live lesson, this lesson will be recorded and uploaded. You will need to go back and revisit and reread the text, The Princess and the Pizza. You also have a copy of this. If you have the Wonders textbook that your parents picked up before school started, it's in the large book. You can look in the table of contents and find The Princess and the Pizza if you'd like to have it there to read. You are going to complete today and tomorrow the Plot Mountain graphic organizer for this text, The Princess and the Pizza. It will be due tomorrow on Friday. You are going to watch the day 3 vocabulary video. And going into Friday, you are going to attend the live lesson at 9 o'clock, finish your Plot Mountain graphic organizer and upload that. You're going to upload it right here to this assignment where it says submit here. You're going to watch the day 4 vocabulary video. You will need to study those words. You've only had them for 4 days this week, and you do have a vocabulary quiz today on weeks 7 and 8. So I would go back and revisit and review those words from weeks 7 and 8. That's your overview for reading for the week. If you have any questions, please reach out to your teacher.